Sri Bhuvan Jha versus the Union of India for the petitioner Sri Sanat Kumar Mishra.
May please your lordship. The petitioner has superannuated in the year 2015, my lord. He is not a government servant, my lord. His only claim is, my lord, he was appointed on 30th April 1981.
Appointed on
30th April 1981 as a junior stenographer.
junior stenographer. Appointed in which year?
Initially he was appointed as junior stenographer.
In which year?
30th April 1981.
81.
In the year 1984, my lord, he submitted representation for regularization of this post service as a stenographer, my lord.
In the year 19?
84, 25th September 1984, he submitted representation.
94.
84, my lord.
Within 3 years.
My lord.
Uh,
Subsequently, by order dated 5th December 1986, he was terminated from service. 5th December 1986.
86.
86.
Dismissed.
He was terminated from service.
Uh,
Thereafter, he filed one original application before the learned tribunal by OA number 51 of 1987, which was dismissed on 17th August 1989.
17th August
1989.
89.
He filed a special leave petition, my lord, before the Honorable Apex Court, and Honorable Apex Court has also dismissed the SLP
On
on 11/12/1989,
11
12
2089.
89, my lord,
Uh,
with certain observations.
uh,
That is in page 74.
uh,
And that observation, my lord, if your lordship permit 4 lines observation, that is very important to proceed further, my lord.
uh.
Page 74.
Read the observation.
At page 74, operating portion is, my lord, in the above paragraph, the special leave petition is dismissed. However, I am reading, my lord, page 74.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
It is open for
open
petitioner to
paragraph
make
starts from 74 and page 75, my lord. Then it has been dismissed, but bottom paragraph says, my lord, however, it is open to the petitioner to make a representation to the government for consideration of his case for regularization as lower division clerk if that has not already been considered. That is, my lord. In view of this, my lord, the petitioner submitted a representation, my lord,
On
on
what day?
3rd January 1990.
1st January 19.
3rd, 3.
Uh,
3rd January 1990.
Yes.
Thereafter, the authority has rejected his representation on 23rd February 90.
Uh,
Thereafter, he filed original application number 420 of 90 before the learned tribunal.
40.
420 1990.
What a number you have.
OA number 420.
Correct.
Mila.
Good number. Of 2000?
2091.
Uh,
That was disposed of on 10th April 1992.
92.
Millard.
Uh,
And order is, Millard, at page 76 and Annex 7, whereby the learned tribunal had directed to consider the request of the petitioner that I may be allowed to read page 76, Millard. And operating portion is, Millard, page 80. The termination order was set aside at page 80, para 9. For the reasons discussed above, we request the impugned orders dated 23rd February 90 and 15th May 90 of the original application. We further direct the respondent to re-engage the applicant as a temporary lower division clerk. Further, the applicant should be given a chance to appear at the next election test conducted by the Staff Selection Commission for the post of lower division clerk. And if the applicant succeeds, they should be considered for being appointed to a regular post of lower division clerk. The order regarding re-engagement of the applicant as lower division clerk should be complied with within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a copy of this order. The applicant will not be entitled to salary and allowances for the period he was out of job. Thereafter, Milad, on 6/6/1992, the petitioner was appointed as lower division clerk. In scale, here Milad, the scale comes Milad, very relevant Milad, 950-1500. Scale of lower division clerk is Milad 950-1500.
What is meant by 950?
950.
Say
95.
like that, 950 means I don't know. I thought it is a designation.
I'm
Instead
sorry.
of appointing LDC, he was given 950 means. What is the lower division clerk pay scale?
950-1500.
No, that has been extended. No, what is wrong in it?
Because the claim the present OA before the learned tribunal was Milad for paper. He was initially appointed as a junior stenographer in 1981. That pay scale was 1200 to 2040. That he want pay
No,
protection.
what is the pay scale?
1200
Huh?
to 2040, 2040.
2000?
40.
And what was the order of the
2000.
apex court?
Apex court says that
FSO to consider him
it's
for
only
LDC.
for LDC.
Then
Then how are you entitled for pay protection?
That was his grievance before the learned tribunal here also. That is
That's
his
all?
case.
That's all.
I can't improve Milad.
Yes, take down. Short question for consideration in the present petition is whether petitioner is entitled to pay protection of rupees 1200-2040 with reference to the post initially held by the petitioner as a stenographer, a junior stenographer in the year 1981 or not. Undisputed facts are that petitioner was initially appointed as a junior stenographer in the year 1981. Full stop. He had submitted application for regularization in the year 1984. Full stop. Before considering his grievance relating to regularization of his services were terminated on 5/12/1986, and it was subject matter of litigation before Central Administrative Tribunal, and it was dismissed. Full stop. Further, feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order of termination read with the order of the tribunal dated 5/12/1986 and 17/8/1989 respectively, petitioner preferred a petition before the apex court. Full stop. The apex court dismissed the petition with the following observation on 11/12/1989. Observations reads as under page 75. Full stop. Next, pursuant to the observation made by the apex court, petitioner submitted representation on 1/1/1990. It was rejected on 21/2/1990. Full stop. Petitioner once again approached tribunal in OA number 420 of 1990, and it was disposed on 10/4/1992 in favor of the petitioner with an observation that to consider his name for appointment against the LDC lower division clerk post. Thus, the respondents have appointed petitioner against one of the LDC posts on 6/6/1992. In this backdrop, the petitioner has sought for a pay protection with reference to the post held by the petitioner against one of the junior stenographer post read with LDC. To stop. Undisputedly, LDC pay scale is lesser than the junior stenographer grade. To stop. The petitioner is not entitled to have the benefit of pay protection with reference to the fact that he had held the post of a junior stenographer Full stop. For the reasons that in none of the judicial pronouncement there is any observation that the petitioner is entitled to pay protection. Full stop. In fact, perusal of the records, it is evident that Apex Court has taken a sympathetic view with while making an observation to accommodate the petitioner to one of the LDC posts. Full stop. In the light of these facts and circumstances, the present petition stand dismissed with the cost of rupees 10,000. Cost shall be paid to the respondent department
I am a retired
within a
employee.
period of
I am
4
a-
months.
I am a retired person, 2015 I retired, my lord.
Sorry, Mr.
That may kindly be, cost may be exempted, my lord, that. I have retired person, may that may.
Then you are getting pension, no?
That
Yes.
you
Pay from
very,
your pension.
very less time, LDC ka, I am getting,
You,
I am LDC.
you can't harass the judicial like this,
In
filing one after another
In
litigation.
future, my lord, I will take care of, my lord, because I am lower pay holder, my lord, LDC, I retired, my lord, entire family, otherwise entire family is dependent
If
upon
you
me.
still argue, the cost will be increased.
I will request, and I am not.
Sir, you are
arguing.
giving trouble to the department in the absence of any right. Are you not aware of the observation made by the Apex Court?
That is true, my lord.
Then on what basis you are entitled for pay protection?
I am begging
It's a
apology.
common sense.
I am begging apology.
First of all,
apology.
you should be a,
I am begging apology, my lord, for that. my lord.
sorry,